Still staring at 200-page PDFs? Let your iPad read them for you, free and in natural AI human voice. Hey there everyone, I am Preetham and you are watching iPad Essential. In next few minutes, you will master this technique. Okay, so to do that, what I'm going to do here is I am going to open App Store. So let me quickly open App Store. And here we need to look for a very popular app known as ElevenReader. Then tap on it. Now let's go down and then click on Get. So here what you are seeing is a cloud option. So this generally you see when we are reinstalling it again. So I was using it, so that's why I see this option. Just tap on it. And then probably you may require to enter your credential. In my case, it didn't ask because I am just reinstalling it. After we have installed this app, simply tap on Open. Now here you need to provide your date of birth and then make sure that you are above 16. So here you can see there are really very nice voices. Now what I'm going to do here is maybe I'm going to select the first one and then I'm going to click on Continue. And then here it is asking, what do you like to mainly listen to on our ElevenReader? So I'm going to say books, study material, maybe my own important content. So it's totally up to you. You can even select all and then click on Continue. And again, this is another question. What are your interests? Choose more than 3. So again, I would say it is totally up to you if you would like to, or you can simply skip it. Then again, it is asking us if ElevenReader would like to send you a notification. So if you are like me who do not like too much of notification, simply hit on don't allow, or else you can also allow. Now let's say you have a very big PDF as I was mentioning. So in that case, what we can do here is we can click here on import new content, click on upload a file, okay? And then look for the file that you would like to add here. So for example, here in this case, I do have got this particular article. Let's say I would like to read it. And there we go. So here you can see we have just imported this article. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select the reader, okay? And we also have got this option that can even generate this as a podcast. So it is totally up to you. You can click on create an episode and there we go. So it is basically creating this as an episode or a podcast. So now here we can see we have generated a podcast and then there are 2 speakers. So you can also create podcast of an article and that's going to help you out in understanding an article. Let's listen to this.
2 years. 40% of new leaders completely fail in their roles. And it's not just them who suffer, their entire teams underperform by up to 15%.
So you can create this kind of podcast, but sometimes it doesn't make sense because the book is too long and then you cannot simply summarize a book in a form of podcast that only lasts for let's say 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So then in that case, what we can do is you can simply read that article, okay? So here again, I'm going to go back and let me actually open this article and simply I'm going to tap here. So what I'm going to do here is probably I'm going to make this whole article read by the voice. So let me actually click here on this voice. Let's say you would like to change the voice. So there are so many. Let's go with this Juniper. This is very small article. You can also read the huge one. For example, this book. So this book is very long and may require 8 hours to complete. So you can also ask ElevenReader to read such a big book and it will convert that book like you are listening to Audible or Cuckoo FM. And then you also have an option to increase the reading speed, which is totally up to you. Then what else we can do here is we can also share the current clip. So what it's going to do is it's going to also create this as a video clip, which is really nice. So you can also share certain portion of this whole book as a video clip.
Now the bad guys were around the corner. Some no doubt dead or gravely wounded, and soon to be. Those who were unscathed would regroup and attack again, likely rounding up even more fighters to join their efforts.
So you can see how good it looked when we converted this particular portion in a book. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find it helpful and informational. So maybe next time if you do not like reading a long book, you can convert it in a form of audiobook. Make sure you subscribe to iPad Essential for more such iPad related tips and tricks, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.